Senior BJP leader A.L. Hek on Wednesday called on Union Minister of State for Defence Ajay Bhatt and urged him to direct the Chief Executive Officer of the Shillong Cantonment Board (SCB) to withdraw its letter to Lady Keane College demanding payment of over 45 lakh rupees as service charges since the college is located on defence land. A.L. Hek, accompanied by Principal of the College D. Chlor Mukim, also urged the Union Minister of the State to instruct the SCB to refrain from issuing such letters in future. According to Hek, the Union Minister of State is said to have assured to take up the matter with the ministry. It may be recalled that the board CEO Vijay Rajak had written a letter to the college in August asking it to pay 45,25,956 as provisional service charges, which has been calculated for the period with effect from 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023.
We have discussed regarding the problem which has sent notice to the Keane College management on the service tax. So we had a very detailed discussion with him today, and it was very fruitful discussions, and has taken it personally to ensure that whatever was good from his side, he will take up with the ministry to resolve the matter.